Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Hi, today I'm going to take you on a special journey through one of the most iconic landmarks in Ghana. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I visited Ghana some days, some weeks, some months back, depending on when you are watching this video. So guys, I am on my way with my friend. We are going to Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. Okay, I don't know if I pronounce it well, but it should be Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. Guys, we used keke here in Ghana. We are actually coming from Adenta Municipal side. Like the way the place is kind of far from where we are coming from. Well, their keke is actually very nice in a way, because unlike in Nigeria, the keke is too open. Here, if you enter, you have to close the door of the keke. Like, I was like, are you guys kidding me? So we hop on public transport going to Kwame Nkrumah, right? So we are on our way. So in Ghana, their buses are numbered. We have bus 172, we have bus 470, we have bus 995, we have bus 275. So we actually entered bus 275 going to Kaneshie Market. Yeah, Kaneshie Market is at the major stop. Okay, is just like in the center of Accra city center, and is one of the most buses that their stops are at Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. So when we got to the market, Kaneshie Market, we had to stroll down a little bit because it's actually along the road, so you have to cross over, you have to scroll down, you have to use your leg, like you have to ask questions if you don't want to enter bike, because bike may collect, depending if they see that you are a newcomer. Bike will actually charge you like 50 Ghana cedis, 70 Ghana cedis, or even 100 Ghana cedis, but it's trackable. If you are the type that can walk down, maybe just to see the environment, just like me, you can actually make it down from the market. Is it Kaneshie or Makola? It should be Makola Market, because both of them I can't recall. I can't really recall, but here should be Makola Market or Kaneshie. I don't know if both of them are the same thing, but what I know is that we actually stop at this market, Makola or Kaneshie Market, and it's actually close to. So when you walk through, you will see. So I was seeing all these crops made in Ghana. I was like, wow, are you guys kidding me? So I have to ask the price. He was saying that it was 70 Ghana cedis. What? So let's talk about the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park and Mausoleum in Ghana. So this is not just a tourist attraction. It's just a place where history, culture, and legacy come alive. Whether you are a history buff, a traveler looking for inspiration, or someone curious about Ghana's past, this video is for you. So make sure you stick around to the end, because you will uncover not only the beauty of the park, although it's not it's concise here, is not really embroidered. So you uncover the powerful history of the man which this park is being Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. He is the Ghana first president and champion of African independence. So as you approach the memorial park located right in the heart of Accra, the first thing you will notice is its grand entrance.
Okay, flowers for decoration too. Wow, this is nice.
You will truly appreciate this place because this is just the
Yeah.
local artifacts I will view. So I was like, I
Let
was
me see.
kind of pricing it. I was
Yeah.
like, how much is it? The price is way too much. I couldn't get anyone. I didn't plan for it. I didn't plan for it. So Kwame Nkrumah was born on September 21st, 1909 in Nkrofo. Nkrofo is a small town in the western region of Ghana, and he studied abroad in the United States and in the United Kingdom, where he became deeply inspired by ideas of freedom, Pan-Africanism and social justice. So in the year 1940s and 50s, he emerged as a charismatic leader of the Ghana's independent movement. After years of struggle, on March 6th, 1957, Ghana became the first country in sub-Saharan Africa to gain independence from colonial rule. So Nkrumah declared the famous was at last, at long last, the battle has ended, and Ghana, my beloved country, is free forever. Like he later became the first prime minister and then the president of Ghana. Beyond Ghana, he was the strong advocate of the unity of all African nations, which is why he is often called the father of African independence. So inside the memorial park, one of the things you notice is the bronze statue of a drummer at the entrance, the one we just passed. So these drummers are captured in the act of traditional music making, symbolizing the announcement of important events. So in, as you walk further in, you will see Kwame Nkrumah himself standing with one arm raised. Like if you go inside, inside. So the gesture symbolizes leadership, hope, and future he envisioned for Ghana and Africa. So now, inside the mausoleum itself, the interior is simple but powerful. The walls are lined with marbles, and in the center lies Nkrumah final resting place. So if you enter inside here is just like a tourist place. It's a wonderful viewing center, although I couldn't capture everything about inside. And mind you, if you are coming to this place, to enter here is not free. It's about 100 Ghana cedis from the day I came here. I don't know if it's lesser or if it's more expensive now. So the museum include old newspapers, clippings, letters, gifts from old leaders and all that. Is a beautiful place. I had to snap around. I had to snap so many pictures around here. It was a wonderful place to be, guys. So I will want you guys to visit Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park, even if it's just once in your lifetime. It's a place of education, remembrance, and national pride. So if you ever find yourself in Ghana, in Accra, this is one of the places you absolutely cannot miss. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through this Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. If you enjoy this video and want to see more exploration of Ghana and Africa hidden gem, don't forget to subscribe. Although my channel is diverse, I also talk on skincare and everything about skin, and some of the things that I feel should make it to my YouTube channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question on getting to this place, if you find yourself in Ghana, let me know in the comment section. I can always direct you. So pictures.